All right, hello everyone, and good morning. Going over a lesson plan for week May the 11th to May the 15th. And yes, that burning question: how many more weeks of school do we have, Mr. Burton? We have 3 weeks. That's it, and we're done. Now, well, let's go ahead and get over this week first. Okay, let's go over the daily schedule. First thing you're going to do when you get up in the morning or the afternoon, you're going to log into your Chromebook. You're then going to go to your student portal or also My Apps. You're going to go to Office 365. You're then going to click on that. You're going to go to Outlook. You're going to check your messages there. See if you have any emails from me, which you'll have this lesson plan in your email. Second thing that you're going to do, you're going to go back to My Apps. You're going to go to Edgenuity Courseware. You're going to click Count to 10 and log out of Edgenuity Courseware. And that way you get your attendance done. Okay? Then you're going to go over to Unique Learning System. I'll give you an idea what it's going to look like. You're going to go to Sign In. You're going to go to Under Student. You're then going to put your email in there, and you're going to put your password in there. If you need help with that, give me a call or a text or an email. You don't have to sign in under a student portal. You can sign in on any Google browser for Unique Learning System. Okay? And you're going to check and get your assignments there. After that, you're going to check out Google Classroom, which there is an assignment on the Google Classroom. It's going to be under Discovery Education, being financially responsible. Okay? And let's see. You're then, for the Google Meet invite, you don't have to wait for an invite anymore. You should go to Google Meet, go to Google Classroom. There's the Meet link right there. All you have to do is click on that little video camera, and it's going to pop you over here. You're going to click that green button like so, and you're in a Google Meet, just like that. Okay? Now, with the assignments, you have the option of, if you need any assistance, we can set up a Google Meet. My conference times are usually Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1:30 to 3. However, I'm flexible with you on that. If you need help, let me know. I'll see what we can work out as far as the time. Okay? And set up a Google Meet. Okay? Now, I do have a faculty meeting on Tuesday, and I have a PLC meeting on Monday, which is at 1. PLC is at 11. Faculty meeting is at 11:30. So if you need help, let me know. Either way. All right, let's look at our lesson plan. We got reading comprehension for Monday. Mark makes a budget. Then you have comprehensive questions, all of which is going to be in Unique Learning System. There is a video that you need to watch that I just showed you a moment ago. Being financially responsible on Google Classroom. Click the video. It'll let me know that you read it. All right, next you're going to go to math for Tuesday. That's Tuesday, math. You're going to have story problems with subtraction. You're on Wednesday. You're going to have science, Todd's Family Tree. That's going to be a shared reading practice. Let's see, and comprehensive questions. And then Thursday, May 14th, social studies, talking about family. Activity 1, life skills activity. Friday, you have life skills, storing food. Very important thing to learn. You'll be surprised. Many people don't know how to do that properly. But it's a very good skill to learn. Now again, if you want to meet for Google Classrooms, 1:30 and 3, these are your times for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm hanging out there. Just pop in. Okay? If you have any questions, definitely give me a call, text me, or email me. Let me know if you need some help or you just have questions. All right, well, that's it. Thank you very much. Have a good week.